Hi guys, welcome to Cameron's Corner. Today I want to show you some shelves of my Alice in Wonderland room. And the light is a bit weird. I have the curtains open, I have the lights on, but the lighting in this room, I'll show you in a minute, it's just difficult. So if you have any tips, let me know. So let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my I'm Too Late t-shirt. I just wanted to show you that I have an Alice in Wonderland t-shirt on while filming my Alice in Wonderland video. Let's just get started. Okay, so this is my Alice in Wonderland room at the moment with my lovely Alice in Wonderland painting the roses red. Rose bush. And the trouble of filming here is that the light is just so difficult. Because if I want to film something like this, I'm standing in my own shadow. So I have the curtains open now, but still, it's difficult. Oh well, let's just get started all the way over here. Nope, 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 over here, over here, over here. We're gonna get started over here. So I want to make a couple of videos because I have quite a lot to show you. So this is all the way on top of all those little shelves. It is a wonderful and huge Alice in Wonderland golden book. It's a Dutch version and I absolutely love it. And then you see the Cheshire Cat's tail. And over here you have Thumper. So the tail goes all the way up there, up there, up there. And then here you have Cheshire Cat with a weird hat on. Okay, but then we go over here. And I do have some magnets. So this is the first magnet I bought, the green one. And I think it's just so gorgeous. And the rest I bought in Oxford. And then you have this magnet. It's the ugliest little Alice in Wonderland item I have, I think. It's a finger puppet, but also a magnet. Really weird. And then guys, I have this awesome book. Ah, this angle is better. It is a Japanese Disney Alice in Wonderland book. And my daughter bought it for me in Amsterdam on the book market. That they have once a week. And it's just so gorgeous. I'm not sure if I ever showed you up close. If you want to see it in one of my book videos, just let me know in the comments down below and I might just take it off the shelf and show you inside. But it's really awesome that it is Alice in Wonderland in Japanese. And then I have this really awesome White Rabbit purse. I bought it not so long ago, so you might have seen this cutie in a video a while back when I went to a Disney fair with the kids near Amsterdam, and I've been looking for this one. It's from the Primark, but they didn't sell it in the Netherlands, at least not where I live. So I never thought I would find it, and then there it was for just 10 euros. It's so awesome. Oh see, I thought there was a little dirty spot on his cheek, but that's my camera, the shadow of my camera. Okay. So next we have my Cath Kidston shelves. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. These are specially made. Can I take one off without dropping everything? Or dropping this? Ah! No, I've still got it. Look how awesome this is. I just love the polka dots and then the Mad Hatter. Well, it's the same over here. So awesome. And it's... Oh, I wanted to show you that it's by Cath Kidston. But, oh, these stickers, I couldn't get them off, so, oh well. Anyway, this is by Cath Kidston and Disney, and it is such a gorgeous line. I'm gonna try to put it back. Oh my gosh, this is creepy. I'm gonna leave the rest on there. I also have this cute White Rabbit. It's just so gorgeous. I love this so much. These were quite expensive, so I only bought the mugs to put in my collection room. But this I bought twice, so I have one downstairs that I use almost every day. And it's so nice, it's so gorgeous. I love this drawing so much. So then over here you have Cheshire, really cute. And again the Alice, which goes really well with this plate, but because it was so expensive, I didn't buy the mug twice. So I've got one to look at and I've got this plate to use downstairs as well. Isn't this gorgeous? I love this so much. So now I'm standing in my own shadow, so let me see if I can move. So this is what I mean guys, I'm always in my own shadow and now I have the curtains open, but when I only have the lights on, the shadow just hits half of the shelf, so yeah, it's very difficult with lighting over here. But oh well, you can see it. Look at this gorgeous White Rabbit mug. I bought it at the Disney store. Well, I ordered it online and it's so cute. It is a bit big, but oh well, it is gorgeous. And then here are my two favorite mugs. I think because, you know, Cath Kidston is so gorgeous as well. I mean, so I think I'm gonna say this is one of my favorite mugs. Quite a lot, because there are more to come that I also love so much. But look at this one. Look at her. She is so gorgeous. And then this one I bought in, I think I bought this one in Disneyland Paris as well. This one I bought when we were in Disneyland Paris. And the first day we went into the park, I saw the mug and I thought, oh, I really need that one. But somehow I forgot to buy it. So the second day we had to go back and search for the mug and we just couldn't find it. But finally, after I think almost an hour looking for this mug, I saw it. So yes, I got it. And she is so cute. I think this is one of my... Oh, here I go. One of my favorite mugs. And I love Cheshire as well. And then I have these cute little shot glasses. Are they just so gorgeous? Is this Cath Kidston as well? I mean, it's the same figures. Only, of course, the same figures Alice, but they have the same pose. I'm not even sure. It doesn't say. Curiouser and curiouser. I think I bought this in the Disney store, but it has the same Alice as over here. But if it was Cath Kidston, it would have said Cath Kidston. But again, with this one also, it doesn't say Disney on here. Ew, there's one of those little creepy crawlers in here. That's dead. Oh, I need to clean that. How do they get in here? I mean, are they called silverfish? I'm not really sure, but little creepy crawlers that go in here and can't get out again. And then just die. That's really sad. Anyway, there's one in there, so I need to clean that later on. But anyway, what I wanted to say, now I'm afraid to pick one up. It doesn't say Disney on here. Not on here. Does it? No, it says not suitable for the dishwasher. Made in China. Oh, wait, here it is. Disney. Okay. I thought it doesn't say Disney. So this is not Cath Kidston. This is from the Disney store. But they're cute, right? So then we have my Primark shelf. Here you can see the camera. This is what I mean. Shadow, but oh well. Okay, this one I bought... Where did I buy this? I only saw one. I think in the UK. I had not seen it in the Netherlands. I knew it was out there somewhere, but I had not seen it. So I'm so happy with this one. I know there's also a pillow of the White Rabbit, and there was something else. I don't know what. Maybe some of these. Some keychains. I don't think I have the whole Primark set. Oh well, there's a Cheshire mug I still miss. Anyway, this one. So these are cute little purses that are just coin purses that you can't really use. I mean, how are you gonna put this in your bag without breaking it? But it's really fun, and I love the fact that this one also has a keychain. But I don't have one for the other ones. So do you know, are there keychains of the White Rabbit and Alice and Cheshire and maybe these? Maybe I don't want to know because I've never seen them. And but if there are, yeah, leave a comment down below. Then you have this cute little White Rabbit. I love the fact that his tail, here it is, dangle dangle. It's what you open the purse with. And I just think it's really cute because it really looks like a little tail. Isn't it gorgeous? I just think these are so amazing. I bought these in Amsterdam and I bought them myself, and it was so nice to have some Alice in Wonderland in the Netherlands. The Drink Me bottle is just amazing, and it's got Drink Me on it. Yes, it does. And then of course the weird Cheshire. It's so cute. So I think these purses, coin purses, are just amazing. I love this on my shelves. So I can put them closer together and put other stuff on here, but I just think it looks really nice. And for now I have room enough, but in a couple of years this room will be filled to the brim with Alice stuff. So then I'll need to reorganize it. But for now, look at it. It looks really nice. Okay, here I have some more Cath Kidston, and I hope I can show you without it being too dark. Let's try it like this. This is what I mean. One of my favorite mugs. It's so gorgeous. And I've got the pen with it. And this pen was so expensive. I think it was about 12 euros or so for a pen. But look at it. I enjoy it every day. I love looking at these little shelves. And these two guys. I wanted to buy them to use, but it's so thin glass and yeah, you can't put them in a dishwasher, so I thought, you know what, let's just buy them just to look at and enjoy. And I enjoy them a lot. It's so beautiful. And over here you have, look at Cheshire. You have teacups. It's so awesome. Yeah, sorry. And then this one of my favorite mugs. I mean, it's just so gorgeous. And this is so cute. I love the colors of this mug. Drink me, it says. Yes, it's not even a bottle when it says drink me. So this is awesome as well. Need to reorganize it a bit, like this. And then you have this shelf. Look how gorgeous this Alice doll is. I think she is so cute, and she has a really nice spot over here. I bought this one at Disneyland Paris when we were there almost 2 years ago, I think. Oh my gosh. There was another one before this one that didn't have the face printed on but stitched on, and it looked a bit like a monkey, so I didn't buy it, and now I wish I had, but oh well. My Alice ears that don't stay on my head. I can't wear ears on my head. They always flip off. They just fall off. So that's so sad because I really want to, but it just doesn't stay on. But I did buy it for my collection. And then 2 awesome Alice mugs, if you can see it. And an Alice in Wonderland folder that I bought in Japan, I think. Well, someone sent it to the Netherlands from Japan. Okay, and then over here, a Cheshire shelf. Look at it. So I've got this Cheshire mug and this awesome Cheshire wallet that I think I bought in Disneyland Paris. And the mug and the glass and a pencil and a straw and a placemat. I think it's awesome. And then you've got these pins. Now, to be fair, behind the pins, there's more. You've got this weird little Cheshire purse. It's so weird, it confuses me. And I have Tsum Tsum Alice. And I left them in the packaging because, I know, it just looks really fun. But I have this in front of it, which is kind of stupid. But I still need to give it a spot on this wall. Oh, it didn't fit on the wall, I think. Does it? No. So I want these pins on the wall over here, but it just doesn't fit. It's too small. Well, it's too big. The wall is too small. So I think I need to tilt it a quarter, but yeah, we'll do that another time. If you want to see the pins up close, let me know. Maybe I can do a video about them. Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, that's way too dark. Shall I show you one more shelf? Shall we do one more? Let's do one more. Okay, well, up here you've got this weird Cheshire cat that I think is really awesome. I showed you with this long tail. And then this weird hat. I mean, it's just amazing. And speaking of hats, I have this hat. And I also have this one way on top. And then I have this animator doll. She's still in the packaging. But I also have another one that I have out of the packaging. She's over there. Anyway, there's a story behind that. But let's just say the other one was a little bit broken and I got a new one. Brand new one. So I want to leave this one in the box. Dust free. Okay then, this shelf. These are cute little figurines and I thought they were bigger. They are for in the garden. But luckily they were tiny and small. And I just love them. I think they are about 8 centimeters high or so. So it's really cute. It is Alice with the caterpillar on the mushroom. And I just now see that these are the card suits. That's fun. I didn't notice. But it's way up high. I don't even see. I'm standing on a little stool right now. So I'm not that tall. I just love Cheshire. He's so gorgeous. Oh, it's really hard to film. You know, shadow, like I said. But oh well. Then you have Alice with the door. And again, is it a club sign or is it a mushroom? I don't know, on the door. Or it's just a keyhole. But it's really cute. And then you have Alice on the teapot again with the card suits. And the white rabbit. It's so gorgeous. And then you have a little bear. That's the card guard with paint. He's painting the roses red. And there was another one that just... It was Alice on... No, it wasn't Alice. There was another figure. I don't even know what it was. But it didn't have anything to do with Alice in Wonderland. So I didn't buy it. So there are 6 of these. But I just bought 5. I think I bought them on AliExpress. This I bought in the Disney store. Look how amazing. This is a pen. If I can open it, you have to take off his head. Here he goes off with his head, and then you have a pen. Really weird. But I thought it was fun because you have to take his head off to get to the pen. And here you have a cute white rabbit with a clock. These are sticky notes. So gorgeous. So I bought these two when we were in the UK a few years ago. And I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I have this one the wrong way around. That looks just weird. He saw his cute little tail, but his head was spinning around. Okay, like this. That looks better. Poor white rabbit. Okay, shall I do just one more shelf? I'm just gonna do this one as well. So it's probably a longer video by now, but oh well. Look how gorgeous this one is. It is the Showcase collection, and I absolutely love her. She's so gorgeous, and it's such a different Alice, a bit more grown up, but still so Alice. I just think it's gorgeous. Then I have some Humpty Dumpty figures. This one I bought in Oxford at the Alice's shop. And this is one that once was with an Alice set at McDonald's. I hope one day to get the other ones. It was not in the Netherlands, it was in the UK, I think. But I find it hard to buy Humpty Dumpty stuff because it is a little children's story, a little poem. So I'm not always sure if it is a Humpty Dumpty that goes with the Alice story. So what do? If you collect Alice, do you also collect Humpty Dumpty? Because this one I know, it is from an Alice set, but that one is just Humpty Dumpty. Oh well. And then I have Alice playing cards and a letter set. This awesome huge mug. Look how big this is. I love it. Saw it in Germany and I thought, yes, it's an Alice mug. I want it. And again, this is one of my favorite items. Look how gorgeous she is. This is Alice. Really the Disney Alice. She is so gorgeous. The way she stands, how the pastel look it has. I absolutely love it. This is totally different. It's an anime Alice and I love these little cuties. It's a little chibi with her way too big head. Well, this one has a way too big head as well. And these are by Q Posket and I think they're gorgeous. And then in the back I have some Alice in Wonderland pouches, what you call that. Bought those on AliExpress, so they're knockoffs, but they were just so gorgeous that I really wanted them. It's a really nice background. And then I have this cutie that I bought not that long ago, a Jim Shore figurine. So you've seen this part of my room, this little part, and then let me go around the rose bush. Ta-da-da-da, ta-da, ta-da-da-da, ta-da, and then this part. So I've got loads more to show you guys. So yeah, maybe next time I will show you the pin board. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. You know, if you did, I would love a thumbs up and I would love it if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And well, all that's left to say is groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland. Bye.